What if you're not going to be giving your dog beef liver, or what if you want to just have a pure administration of the CBD without using the treat? Does Pet Med Labs have options for that, and what are they?
There is. So one of my favorite personal options is the spray. So this spray can be put on other foods. Just for example, my own dog has diabetes. So she's on a very, very specific diet that helps regulate her blood glucose on a daily basis. So everything that she ingests is extremely important for me to regulate. So she's on this specific food, is perfect for her at this stage of her life. So for me to add on something else simply with a spray onto her already formulated diet, it's the best case scenario for me.
What else do we have for just giving the pure CBD to pets other than the spray?
So there's also something that I'm incredibly excited about that the team has put together is basically a pill pouch. So, you know, of course, when a pet's age and there's more medication that we have to give, and, you know, we've talked about these things, sometimes having a way to give the medicine sometimes having a way to give the medicine that actually makes administering that medication fun and exciting and maintains that bond is so easy for the family and of course, for the pet taking it.
What is a pill pouch in terms of how you give a pill?
Right, so if you imagine basically like a bacon wrapped around a pill, right? It'd be the perfect way to give a treat, which also has medicine in it for the pet. So it's a little pouch that you can put other pills into, kind of close it up, and then give it to your pet, and then they just gobble it right up.
I know that you have one more product that is not CBD based, but something that any pet lover might be interested in, which might help to cure a different thing that sometimes pet owners struggle with. And what is that?
Yep, absolutely. So rare is it that pets don't want to eat, but sometimes it is important that they do eat. Again, going back to my diabetic dog, she has to eat at a very particular time. So for me to have some flakes, some actual flavor flakes that you can place on top of their food, it really just gets them excited about their food. And it's interesting because my other younger dog, who sits right next to my older dog, he waits for his flakes to be put on his food before he eats.
So you're saying that you guys have these appetite flakes that are made with...
Yeah, the pure beef isolate. So it's still a very, very pure product, that human grade. And to literally, all you have to do is just, you know, sprinkle them on the pet's food. And it's fantastic, again, for me in my home, because my diabetic dog, she has, you know, a very particular food, but has some wet food in it. But my younger dog, he just needs dry food. It's better for his teeth. It's formulated perfectly for him. But they both get excited about their food, and they both just dig in.
But what about as dogs are aging? Does that sometimes affect an appetite for a dog as it gets older?
Yeah, absolutely, and just like it can for humans as well. So as pets age, they can sometimes just reduce their desire to eat, which is fine, it's a normal thing, but as long as we can keep them eating at a regular pace for a certain, you know, percentage of the time, it helps keep their energy up, it helps keep them wanting to be motivated to engage with the family.
Could you give a younger dog the senior canine treats if you have two dogs that are different ages?
Absolutely, there's no negative effects at all.